We just made We Actualize's very first piece of merchandise. So this is the first merchandise that my logo has ever been on, and I actually created it myself from start to finish. My name is Diana, and I run my own business called We Actualize. I create custom software for small businesses, nonprofits, and startups. So we are heading over to Ink and Drink to print my logo on a t-shirt, which is the official celebration of the launch of my LLC. I actually found Ink and Drink. It had been something I'd wanted to do for a while. When I was there, I felt very much like in my element. It was very artsy. I was like, oh, these are my people. This is really fun. And really the idea sparked after being in the environment, being in the place and seeing what it was like to create something myself on a t-shirt. That is what I do all day long for my clients, is to create lots of things for them, for their clients, for their customers. Everything is custom made and tailored to the exact structure that they need in their use case and their workflows. And so it seemed very appropriate to bring my very artsy, creative self and really kind of honor the more official, formal start of my business in this very creative and collaborative way. When I first got there, I had printed my logo and I really thought I was just going to go in and trace it and then, pop it on a t-shirt. I was surprised but pleased when I got there that the owner was like, okay, well, we're first going to play around a little bit. We're going to sketch. We're going to started us off with multiple areas where we could sketch and really kind of expand this first idea of a photo or a picture, or, bring in your own ideas and make something new out of it. I've been doing this work for a little over 2 years now. I started in early 2023. I would go to different places and say, oh, we need operations, we need systems, we need this. Can I build us something? In 2023, I said, what would it look like to do this job on purpose? And so I gave it 6 months to see what the viability is. 2+ years later, here we are. We then got to put it into a frame. The moment when I could really fully see the name We Actualize popping out of that frame was very exciting for me. While this has been a very solo endeavor, a large part initially, it is now very wrapped in collaboration and community and connection, which are my values. And so it's a very meaningful experience. It really just formalizes and finalizes in a way the business itself. And so what started as a very solo process, a very dream-oriented, who knows what will happen, is now really coming into realization. This logo that has been something that has been part of me and an important part of my career. Now I get to share that with the world in a different way. A piece of my creative self, my career, my business that means so much to me. I now get to kind of showcase that, wear that out in my daily life. So what's next for We Actualize? We continue to work with clients all over the world in all different use cases and industries to help them create custom solutions, whether that's software, automations, AI. So you can expect more tutorials and trainings and a lot more of what my clients get to see day to day. And you can learn alongside us there. So check that out as well. You can find us on weactualize.com. You can also find us on LinkedIn as Diana Kirby. Schedule your free consultation today to help us see what we can actualize in your business.